Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we learn amazing animation in PowerPoint. Before start lesson, we humbly request you kindly like video, subscribe channel and press bell icon button for more updates. So let's start our today lesson. Escape, Control and new slide open, Control A, remove by default text and close thumbnail. Insert, draw here rectangle shape. Remove outline and fill with gray color, gray gradient. Gradient center. Insert text box, write down welcome, Control A, select home, change font format and font size 180. Adjust format in slide center. Duplicate, Control duplicate this text, label Control D, change to the world, Control A, reduce font size 100 and change direction center and reduce this, Control A, all three objects select and go to format, merge shape, subtract. Okay, reduce size, insert our two images already saved by unsplash.com. One image used for permanent stay out on background, second image used for change create animation. Zoom out, back image format, send to backward, okay. Now middle image, send to back, format, send to back, check our okay. Go to right side, draw here one line, insert shape rectangle, format, no outline, fill with white drops, okay, light color. So go to last section, animation, add animation, path right to left, line animation, animation panel, fact left right, press a red circle and shift and increase size. Go to animation panel, animation painter, copy this animation, paste to the image. Okay, so very happy. It's working. Animation panel, Control A, start with previous, right click here and go to effect options, timing, 1 second, repetition until end of slide, effect auto reverse, press OK. So press F5 to check our today animation or tutorial. F5. Everything is working happily. So I request to you, please give us big like. Thanks for watching.